The simple past. Hey, what did you do yesterday? You were not at work.
I worked at home. I was a little bit sick. But I'm better now.
Oh, that's why. I tried to call you. I wanted to go to the restaurant.
That's too bad. Sorry. I wasn't feeling well.
Like in those examples, we use past simple sentences to talk about things we did in the past. With most verbs, the past tense is formed by adding e and d at the end of the verb. For example, I called you yesterday.
We watched a movie.
I earned a lot of money. But there are a lot of irregular verbs. Here are the most common with their past tense forms. Do becomes did. Be becomes was or were. Begin becomes began. Have becomes had. Go becomes went. Give becomes gave. Come becomes came. Get becomes got. Meet becomes met. Take becomes took. Tell becomes told. Know becomes knew. Make becomes made. Here are some examples. I met my wife in 2001. We went to the restaurant. We got home very late. We use did to make questions with the past simple. For example, did you live in London? Did you meet? When did you meet? We use didn't or did not to make negatives with the past simple. For example, I didn't see you yesterday. They didn't go to Paris. We didn't get home early.